How's it going today, everybody? I hope you all are having an amazing day. Welcome back to another video. Today, I'm very excited to announce that I'm officially a Rogue ambassador. Now, this company is called Rogue Magnetics, and they make quality magnet fishing magnets. And this right here is their Beast Box. Before I get started with this video, if you would like to purchase a Beast Box for yourself, use the code NICK10, and I will put the link in the description. So, with your Beast Box, you will receive these two cards here. And basically it explains more about the company and stuff on the back there. And at Rogue Magnetics, we create elite neodymium magnets and accessories to take your magnet fishing game to the next level. A couple of days ago, I unboxed my Beast Box, so I'm going to show you the clip of me unboxing that certain piece, and then I'm going to talk about it a little bit more. So let's take a look what's inside. Okay, here we are. Whoa. So this is very well packaged. I'm very pleased. There's pretty much no way of it getting damaged on this way to you. Whoa. So the first thing in our box are these cool little cards here. It's just saying some things you could do. Take a photo and share it. Tag us at Rogue Magnetics. Use hashtag MyRogueFind. Follow their Instagram. I'll link it down below. And follow my Instagram if you haven't already. It's Nick_adventures_YT. Very cool. Now this is the Beast Box. And I'm officially in partnership with Rogue Magnetics. And they sent this to me. And they gave me a code for you guys if you would like to buy one. So if you decide to purchase a Beast Box, use the code NICK10 to get 10% off your order. I'll put the link in the description below. So let's open this thing up. Okay. It's a very, very good box. This will definitely protect everything inside. Whoa. Is it just me, or does that look super cool, guys? Look at that. So the first thing I see here is this Rogue Magnetics thread locker. There's our first thing. If you do not know what thread locker is, it is basically a special glue to cement in the eye bolt to your magnet. So this is the Rogue Magnetics rope and the Carabiner. The Rogue Magnetics rope is 65 feet in length and has a breaking strength of 1,300 pounds. And the Carabiner is rated for 5,600 pounds and locks. Last, but definitely not least, is the Beast Magnet. Look at this thing. My gosh, that's pretty heavy. Wow, you can definitely throw this really far. This magnet has 1,200 pounds of pull force and is made of high-strength neodymium. Look at that. I'm not going to get too close to the camera, but wow. Tell you right now, guys, I am super impressed with these products. They look very high quality. They have really good reviews online. So please check them out. I'll put the link in the description below. And don't forget to use the code NICK10 to get 10% off your Beast Box. In my opinion, one of the best things about this kit is that when you're not in hunt mode, put the magnet back in there. Nice tight fit so it won't jiggle around in there. Okay. Thread locker in there. And your rope and carabiner just go right here. Alright, so here's kind of the unfortunate part about this. Currently all of my waters are frozen over in my local area, so I haven't had a chance to try this magnet out for myself. But I had a chance to message a fellow Rogue ambassador, Clay, from the Rusty Magnets YouTube channel, and I got him to share some input about it, so let's see what he said. He said, 3 reasons why he loves Rogue Magnetics are they are strong as they claim, the customer service is amazing and always polite, and they always respond. And it's called the Beast for a reason, he says. If you would like to see the Rogue Magnetics Beast Box in action, I will link Clay's channel below as well as his Instagram. That's all for today, everybody. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please hit that like button down below and press the subscribe button. It really helped me out. And as always, see you on the next adventure.